The Skypack, an innovative flying machine that straps onto your back and allows you to become a drone. Unlike traditional aircraft, the Skypack has no wings or engines to obstruct your view, enabling seamless travel from point A to point B. It can hover, allowing users to interact with objects while in flight, perfect for tasks like fixing cell phone towers or washing windows without any ground-tethered lift systems. Ideal for law enforcement, bridge inspections, turbine maintenance, firefighting, and more, the Skypack weighs 80 pounds or 170 pounds with its supportive frame. Equipped with 6 counter-rotating pairs of rotors, it delivers 112 horsepower. Skinetic immersive visual experiences are becoming a part of our everyday lives, constantly pushing the boundaries of sight and blurring the line between reality and the virtual world. But why should your eyes have all the fun? Introducing Skinetic, a haptic vest designed to create a unique sensory experience by enhancing immersion. This innovative technology allows artists and creators to elevate their audience's engagement to the next level. In cinemas, Skinetic enables viewers to feel everything they see on screen. For gaming, it allows players to physically experience bumps, shots, and racing car maneuvers, making them feel as if they are the character. Additionally, for training purposes, Skinetic can simulate real-world sensations, providing a more realistic and effective learning environment. The Unitree G1, a remarkable robotic avatar from Henguyuo Technology Company in China. Dubbed the #1 robot on the market, the Unitree G1 offers incredible value at a price of $16,000. This flexible robot learns through reinforcement and is capable of mimicking human behavior, only the good kind. It can crack nuts, solder wiring, and even make toast in a frying pan. Weighing just 35 kilograms and standing 127 centimeters tall, the Unitree G1 is a compact yet versatile companion. It's designed to handle a wide range of tasks, making it both functional and fun. The Umilles Next eVTOL is here to revolutionize the way we move, representing the most ambitious project in redefining global mobility. Known as Crystal Lion Mobility, this evolution by Umilles aims to transport passengers automatically using fly-free propulsion technology, which enables the aircraft to move safely in all directions, regardless of weather conditions. Equipped with 16 drone-like propellers, the Umilles Next eVTOL can carry 5 passengers and a pilot. It's eco-friendly, capable of traveling up to 130 kilometers on a single charge and reaching speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour. Operating at a low volume with minimal maintenance requirements, it offers an affordable and sustainable solution for air travel. The Wingtra One, a VTOL drone that delivers high-quality land surveys at a low cost. What sets the Wingtra One apart from other aircraft is its unique combination of flying efficiency like a fixed-wing aircraft and the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a traditional drone. Requiring only a 7-foot by 7-foot field area for takeoff and landing, the Wingtra One can map up to 14 times more area than the leading multicopter and fixed-wing drones. Additionally, it can touch down precisely with minimal impact on your payload, making it an ideal choice for efficient and accurate surveying. The TY3R drone, a revolutionary device designed to save lives during water rescues. This water rescue drone, also known as the TY3R flying life buoy, acts like a team of lifeguards in drone form. If you're frequently struggling with riptides or finding it hard to stay afloat, the TY3R is here to help. Instead of relying on a lifeguard, this drone can be deployed directly overhead to the person in distress, allowing them to safely hold on and stay calm while help arrives. With the TY3R, there is no more worrying about reaching someone in time to save them. This drone ensures that life-saving support is always just a flight away. The TY3R drone has a pulling force of 3 kilos and can communicate over a kilometer of water distance. RooBadge, listen up you Aussies, we're about to show you something from Volkswagen that's ready to keep you safe on the road, and when I mean safe, it ain't from drop. Bears, it's from those creatures we all love to hate down under the kangaroo. This is the RooBadge, and it emits a sound based on the distribution data of kangaroos to ensure they stay away from your car. The RooBadge is controlled by an in-car app that activates when traveling through collision hotspots. Each sound the badge plays is based on a particular series of kangaroo, so don't worry about a one-sound-fits-all mentality. That's not what this is about. It's about being ready to go for the particular kangaroo that's about to hit your car. The Doroni H1 eVTOL, a two-seat flying car set to revolutionize commuting by 2025. This innovative vehicle features a spacious cabin that can handle up to 500 pounds, travels up to 60 miles on a single charge, and reaches a top speed of 120 miles per hour. The H1 can stay airborne for up to 40 minutes and requires just 25 minutes to recharge. With the ability to launch directly from your driveway, needing only 2 car spaces for takeoff and landing, the Doroni H1 offers a convenient and futuristic travel solution. Packed with advanced sensors and fail-safes for maximum safety, it promises peace of mind in the sky. And it's not just about personal flying. The Doroni H1 is gearing up for automated deliveries, soon making it common to see delivery drones in the sky. The Arc Sport, a 100% all-electric, high-performance wakeboard featuring a powerful 500 horsepower engine and a massive 226 kilowatts battery that delivers zero emissions. The Arc Sport lets you adjust the settings to create the perfect wave for every ride, and with minimal maintenance required, you simply plug it in to charge. No fumes or gas leaks to worry about. This wakeboard also boasts a quiet motor, allowing you to glide through the water while easily conversing with friends. Thanks to the absence of a heavy engine, there's plenty of storage space, and with bow and stern thrusters, maneuvering in tight spaces is a breeze. Accommodating up to 15 people and measuring 23 feet in length, the Arc Sport is priced starting at $260,000, an investment well worth it for its incredible utility and eco-friendly performance. This innovative solution provides a twofold sustainability model, significantly benefiting the planet. Solskin can self-learn and adapt to the building's occupancy levels, adjusting shading or opening for more light as needed. Additionally, it manages heat gains by distributing them to modify the temperature as required. Developed in Switzerland, Solskin aims to become the building skin of choice in major metropolitan areas, showcasing environmental responsibility and a commitment to a sustainable future.